Today I'm recreating Ningning's makeup look. You can try with me if you want. If not, you can just watch me how I do it. If you do recreate it, don't forget to tag me below. I started with toner. I spread all over, then gently tap it into my skin to prep it. Next, Centella ampoule. Since I'm dealing with some acne, I make sure to gently tap in without irritating my skin. Moisturizer is a key for a smooth, flawless base, so I take time to moisturize really well. And again, I'm being gentle with my skin because I have acne on my cheeks, so I don't want to irritate it. Just being gentle and be kind to your skin, guys. Then I apply primer, focusing on my T-zone to blur my pores and create a smooth surface. For the foundation, I use a skin tint for that natural base. I like to use back of my hand as a palette. I apply it with my finger first and then blend it out with a beauty blender. Then comes concealer. I use just a tiny amount with my finger to cover any blemishes and to prep my eyelids for that eye makeup look. Gotta get that Ningning's eye makeup, guys. Then I set everything using pressed powder. I take Hoola bronzer and I softly blend my nose. With the same brush, I start blending on my eyelids and bring it all the way down to my lower lash line for that soft and smoky effect. Then I take this shade and blend it out onto my lids to deepen the looks. For the lower lash line, I use a brown shadow to line softly, keeping everything seamless. Then I highlight under my eyes to make them pop. Now is the mascara time. I add few coats of them to open my eyes. I'm not using lashes, but you can use it. I line my eyes and added a touch of glitter off camera. Then I highlight my brow bone and nose bridge. For the blush, I layer a light pink blush under my eyes and a purple blush on my cheeks to mimic that heavy blush look Ningning wore. I use a bronzer to lightly contour my cupid's bow to make my upper lips look a little bigger. Then I softly line my lips. For the lips, since Ningning is rocking red lips, I went with a red lip tint that I already have. Oh, I almost forgot about the highlighter. I gently tap it on and blend it out with my finger for a soft glow. And that's the finished look. If you are a K-pop fan or love dramatic stage makeup, hit the like button and tell me which idol's makeup I should recreate next.